Hi you guys, and welcome back to the Crème kitchen. Do I have a treat for you? It's fall. Fall makes me think of comfort food, and something that we make in the house all the time as comfort food is an old-fashioned cheesy hash brown ham casserole. What sounds better than that? Really not much. So let's get started. All right, we're starting with one small-ish yellow onion. I've got a skillet on the cooktop and it's over about medium heat, and I'm just gonna chop this onion up and I'm gonna put it in the skillet with a stick of butter. I know, stick of butter, but this is what makes it old-fashioned. Nobody used to care about it. Butter's great, right? So we're gonna get that going, get that softened. I also have a bag of frozen hash brown potatoes. Let it come to room temperature, and that way you don't have to fight for time when it gets into our oven. Before I chop the other half of my onion, I'm gonna start melting my butter in the skillet. That is definitely medium to medium high. Onion going in our skillet.
Whoa!
Well, it looks like it's getting brown, it's getting brown.
Oh, it certainly is.
It certainly is. Brown butter adds extra flavor. That's very old-fashioned.
Gonna say anything.
That reminds me of.
Ho ho ho.
No, what was it? Finger, finger, finger. What did you do at Sophia's birthday party in front of the camera, you and Ava?
I don't remember.
All right, so while those are getting softened in our skillet, ham. Let's talk about ham. Oh my gosh, this is a big ham. That's a big ham. Actually, I'm gonna open it in the sink, right? Okay. Voila, we have about a pound of ham here. All you wanna do is cube this up. And I have a bowl. Give it a nice rustic cut, these cubes. You don't want all of the ham looking the same. All right, moving on. Let's get our thawed hash browns in the bowl. The onions are now ready for me to take off the cooktop and add to our hash brown ham mixture. Give this a nice toss in the bowl. My secret weapon here, this is old-fashioned. Do not judge, but a can of cream of chicken soup. Please get the Campbell's variety. In goes 1 can of cream of chicken soup. We love those condensed soups. They add so much flavor. Get that stirred in. And then Daisy sour cream. A little dollop will do ya. You're welcome. I'm just gonna eyeball my 2 cups. All right, and just because, let's put about a third, quarter cup to a third of a cup, a half and half in here. The cream of chicken soup has some salt in it, and we're gonna add some cheese that has salt in it, so let's just put only about a teaspoon of salt. I feel like it's always better to have people adjust their salt taste themselves than put too much in. We're gonna stir this up in my nice big bowl. And you know what? You can do different things with the meat in this if you prefer, or you could leave it out completely. You could add bacon, you could add some Italian sausage. It's totally up to you. All right, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Last but not least, 2 cups of freshly shredded cheddar. Beautiful. Lucas, you did a great job grating the cheese for me. You're welcome. All right, now we just stir to combine. It's that easy. I'm gonna spray my baking dish. We're gonna put this in the baking dish, and then I'll get to show you something extra special we're gonna put on the top. Yum. Never spray over a floor. If you've got linoleum, tile, wood, you spray over that, you're gonna get a slick spot and you're gonna fall. How do I know that? Perhaps it's happened before. All right, in goes our potatoes. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Fork, fork, fork. That's what it was. Sophia. man, I knew it was something. Spoon, spoon, spoon. Fork, fork, fork. Honestly, I get a lot of old-fashioned recipes. This is this little Czech lady right here because I'm Czech. I get it from this cookbook. I'm not showing you which one it is. It's my little secret. I like to take recipes and make them my own, which is what I've done here. A little bit different topping than traditional potato chips, okay? This is why I saved some of that cheese. I'm gonna take a sleeve of Ritz crackers, put it in a Ziploc bag, and we're gonna get this nicely mashed up. Okay, look at that, crushed. All right, toss all of this up to coat it and just evenly distribute over the top. All right, old-fashioned cheesy hash browns and ham going in the oven now. I cannot wait to see what this turns out like. All right, it's been about 45 to 50 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so be careful when this first comes out of the oven. It is scorching hot, just how Lucas likes it. So I think Lucas should try this and give me his opinion on this fabulous ham and cheese and hash brown bake, okay? Let's get some on a plate. Lucas, come here, honey. Come here, come hither. And I got his favorite hot sauce.
No, I'll try
Tabasco.
without it first.
Okay, yeah. You gotta tell me if it tastes old-fashioned.
Yeah.
Crumb topping, tell me about that.
It's
Tell me
really
about
good.
the cracker cheese topping.
Usually
Describe
you don't
it
put
for
crackers
everyone.
on it, but
I know.
It adds like, another good texture to it.
Texture,
Yeah.
flavor, all of the above. You guys, thank you so much for joining us in our kitchen yet again. I can't wait to have you next time. Lots of things in store. Holidays are coming up. My favorite time of the year. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm going to see you in our kitchen. Bye.